Hi friends, Debbie here from Southern Delight, getting ready for the holidays, but I just wanted to share with you just some quick decorating tips. If you have a mantle or a fireplace to decorate, I'm just going to give you some things to look for if you're out and about shopping, especially if you're going to thrift stores, dollar stores, Walmart, and you want some inexpensive pieces, but you want to decorate and make it look very nice. Lanterns are a great accent piece. You can change this out for almost any holiday, like I'm going to decorate these for fall, then I'm going to change them out for Christmas in the next month or so. Some other great pieces to have are candlesticks, garlands, and always candles. And then you can just pick up some other little decor pieces like for Halloween or fall, pumpkins, and just add to it. Baskets are always a nice accent piece. You can find those most anywhere. And then just kind of piece it all together. And then you have a wonderful, wonderful, beautiful fall centerpiece. Subscribe if you'd like to see more ideas like this.